Here are 6 phases of speech development of a child. It is really important to know if our child needs help when it comes to speech development. First phase, around 0 to 6 months, babies are crying, cooing, and making vowel sounds like mga mga ganyan. So, most likely mga short vowel sounds lang ang marinig natin. Second phase, it is around 6 to 9 months of an infant. The infant starts to bubbling, and he or she produces syllables and starts to imitate sounds na naririnig sa paligid natin. Okay, like de. So, 2 syllables na siya. So, nakikreate na siya ng mga syllables. So, yon. And then third phase, it is around 9 to 12 months. Dito na nagsisimula mag-create ng first word ng ating mga anak. So, it's like mama, dada, tata, diyan yung normal na mga nababanggit ng mga bata. So, parang repetitive, most likely. Repetitive kasi yun yung madali sa kanila. So, check those areas, those phase, kung nasasabi na ng inyong anak yung ganitong fourth phase. It is around 12 to 18 months. Okay, naka-isang taon na ang nakalipas para sa ating mga anak, 1-year-old na. And their vocabulary starts to expand, like up to 50 words. Yes, up to 50 words. That is depends on how we teach them or expose them into more vocabulary words. Depende rin sa atin yan. Kasi kung hindi naman natin sila tuturuan, wala rin talaga silang matututunan. Kung wala silang masyado naririnig sa paligid, hindi rin sila matututo. So it really depends on the environment and how we teach our child. Okay? And then, at this phase, it's also, there also starts to combine 2 words like get car, want dede, ayan. So, hindi pa siya fully buo yung sentence nila, pero you can understand what they are trying to say by saying 2 words, at least 2 words. Phase, it is around 18 to 24 months na, so 1 and a half to 2 years old na ang bata. Okay. Most likely dapat mga 2 to 3 words na yung nababanggit niya and can understand simple questions. So kapag tinanong natin as parents or guardians, yung bata, naiintindihan na yung simple questions. Okay? 6, but not the least, okay? Around 2 to 3 years old, at this stage, they can produce sentence na. At least 4 to 5 words na. Kumbaga, syempre, dapat nag-i-age sila, tumatanda, lumalaki, dapat yung vocabulary nila nag-expand din. So, dito nag-i-start na sila at the age of 2 to 3 years old, dapat meron na silang nababanggit na simple sentence, around 4 to 5 words. And they can use more descriptive words. Kaya na nilang sabi na mabait, yung mga ganon, maganda, pangit, diba? Like, I want to eat cake. They can say that na kasi 5 words yun, diba? So, depende kung English or Tagalog yung communication natin. Just to add up lang din, for the phases, around 4 to 5 years old, your child must know how to answer what questions. Actually, hindi lang 4 to 5 years old. It can be also earlier than 4 to 5 years old. Pero ito yung normal stage na kailangan marunong ng sumagot ng what questions yung bata. Kumbaga, meron na siyang understanding of those questions, diba? And then if you found your child not belonging in these phases na sinabi ko, and you feel like parang medyo nadidelay na siya for his age, for me, it's better to do a research on how to improve their speech. Better yet, consult an expert about speech communication. Kasi for me, it's better to prevent than it's too late, so that we can help our child when it comes to this matter. Yun lamang. Thank you for watching.